CQ, CQ, CQ. Kilo 5, November, Oscar, November.
Kilo 5, November, Oscar, November, QRP.
Kilo 5, November, Oscar, November.
Kilo 5, November, Oscar, November.
Kilo 5, November, Oscar, November.
Kilo 5, November, Oscar, November, is correct.
Got a Yaesu 7900R, and this is the microphone cable for it. This is from my wife's vehicle. And as you can see, the cable, it still works, but it is in sad shape. And it's not like my Kenwood where you can just take the cable out. You've got to replace it. So ordered a replacement from HRO, and we're going to put it on today. So you're going to need some scissors to open up the bag. You're going to need a set of screwdrivers. And let's get started. There's 3 screws on the back. So you're going to unscrew those. Okay, now the microphone should come apart. Just gently take it apart. And you gotta be careful if the button falls out. That's fine. I'll put it back in a minute. That's the pit switch right there. So what you're gonna need to do is take this back off by pulling up on there. And interesting that they weight it down to make it feel more quality, if you will. It's really just the same stuff that you see everywhere. And you're going to gently pull up on this little cable to get it off, just like that. So now you're left with the microphone head, the back, and the button. We'll put the button in later. Remove the old cord that is busted. Get out your new cord. It's going to attach this way, so you're going to want to flip it, stick it in here, and go and attach it into the microphone white connector. Put this back in. There's a little hole for it to go in. And hear my son in the background. And I'm going to connect it back up just like this. Go ahead and drop the mic holder into place, and it will, you rotate it a little and it will click. Insert this screw in. And get these other 2 ready. Okay, and it's done. New cord installed. This old one did work, so believe it or not, I'll keep it just as a backup. Maybe try to put some heat shrink on that and get it back to normal. Thanks for watching. Once again, the microphone was the MH-48 from the Yaesu 7900R.